In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice on Discord Mobile. By the end, you'll know how to get a voice changer up and running on your phone and where to tweak the key setting inside Discord so your voice behaves the way you expect. First, head to the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for VoiceMod. Download and install the app, then open it and complete the quick sign-up process to activate it. Follow any on-screen prompts the app shows. These can include basic permissions so the app can access your microphone. A stable internet connection helps here since the initial setup and content downloads can take a moment. Once VoiceMod is installed and ready, switch over to the Discord mobile app. Tap your profile icon to open your user settings, then go to the section for voice. On many devices, this appears as voice and video. Here, look for input mode. This is the setting that controls how your voice is transmitted into a call. Voice activity means Discord will transmit your voice automatically as you speak, while push to talk requires you to press and hold a button to send audio. For most people using a voice changer, voice activity feels the most natural because it keeps your audio flowing continuously without needing to hold a control. If you prefer tighter control over when people hear you, push to talk is the way to go. Choose the option that matches how you want to sound and interact in chats. If you don't see the voice section or the input mode option inside the Discord app, open Chrome on your phone and log into your Discord account from the browser. Go into your user settings there and navigate to the same voice area, then adjust the input mode in the browser, just as you would in the app. Making the change from the web version can sometimes refresh or reveal settings that aren't appearing on mobile right away. After updating it in Chrome, return to the Discord app and continue using your usual servers and calls. From here, keep VoiceMod running while you use Discord so your chosen voice effects process your microphone audio in real time. If you ever want a more hands-free experience, stick with voice activity. If you need precision, switch back to push to talk. And remember, use voice effects responsibly and in line with community guidelines. That's it. Install VoiceMod, sign up, open Discord, set your input mode, and if the option doesn't appear, make the same change through Chrome, then continue on the app. Enjoy your new voice on Discord Mobile.